isn't the only kind of garnish that you're going to work with.
I'm a rock star. Every day I rock hard. I'm a motherfucking rock star. Every day I rock hard. I'm a rock star.
Hi Rockstars, I'm Aly, your Rockstar bar girl. And in this video, we're going to talk about olives, cherries, and herb garnishes like mint. A garnish is a decoration that tops or accompanies a drink. And in our fruit cutting video, we learned that they're usually edible. The most common garnishes are pieces of citrus fruit, like lemons, limes, and oranges. But olives, cherries, and mint are also popular garnish choices, and you should expect to work with them at your bar. You don't need to cut olives, cherries, and mint, but there are some things to keep in mind when working with them, and we're going to cover those points in this video. Make sure to watch through to the end because I've included a chart to help you remember which type of drink usually receives each type of garnish. Cherries and olives will be provided to you in cans or jars, and at the start of each shift, you will want to add some to your tray for easy access. Make sure to use gloves or tongs when handling your garnishes. Olives will be on hand at most bars and restaurants. They are a garnish option for the martini and the base of the very popular martini riff, the dirty martini. Olives can come with the pits inside or with their pits removed, so it is very important that you pay attention to which are at your bar. Generally speaking, you should never use olives with pits when garnishing cocktails. Your guest is likely to bite into it, and the pit is very hard and could cause injury. When adding olives to your garnish tray, add a little of the olive juice to keep the olives from drying out. Hi Rockstars! Sorry to interrupt your video, but I wanted to let you know that I cover this material and so much more in my online course, The Fundamentals Every Bartender Must Know. My course is designed to teach you everything you need to know to get a rockstar bartending job, even if you've never worked in a bar or restaurant before. My course includes 6 lessons, 2 bonus lessons, quizzes, assignments, downloadable PDFs, flashcards, a course completion certificate, and a free Rockstar Bar Kit, my custom 16-piece bar tool set. Everything is available now at therockstarbargirl.com. Okay, back to the video. Maraschino cherries are also on hand at most bars and restaurants. Cherries are soaked in a concentrated syrup, so there is no need to add more cherry juice to your garnish tray. Your cherries are not in danger of drying out during the course of one shift. But you might want to save that cherry juice anyway. It can make a great emergency substitution when you run out of grenadine. When you close up the bar at the end of the night, there may be some garnish left over in your fruit tray. Even though the garnish tray has a cover, and even though servers and bartenders are supposed to use tongs when handling garnishes, things happen, and it is unsanitary to mingle your used garnishes with your unused garnish. So always throw them away. The most common herb that you will work with is mint. When it comes to working with herbs, there are some general rules of thumb that you can use. When you first receive your mint, wash it gently in cool water. Dry it by tapping it gently with a paper towel. Trim the ends so that the stems can continue to absorb moisture. Trimming the ends will also produce nice-looking herb trees that can be used whole for dramatic garnishing. Use a damp, not wet, paper towel to gently and loosely wrap the mint leaves and store in a plastic bag with the air gently rolled out or in a sealed quart container. Make sure to label and date it. When taking mint out for use during your shift, take out a handful of mint and place it in a glass with cool water. This will keep your mint leaves perky and green. Take a look at this chart with a breakdown of general garnish rules to help you figure out what garnish to use for what drink. Okay, Alright, Rockstars, so that's how you work with olives, cherries, and herbs like mint. If you found this video helpful or if you just liked it, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, just leave them for me down below. And of course, subscribe. Click on the bell button to make sure you're notified every time a new video comes out. Follow me on Instagram at rockstar_bargirl, and please check out my website, therockstarbargirl.com. I've got free videos, an online course, and a custom 16-piece bar toolkit that I know you're gonna love. As always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, Rockstars.
Rockstar.